Hello, welcome to HireID People Inc. Please visit us at hireidpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at HireID People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 38010. The job location is in Bethpage, New York. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: 5 plus years of experience in testing for set top box STB, strong experience in testing for STB DTV domain or consumer electronic grade devices, good experience in using Linux as tester with Git Bash command line, experience in video testing with Storm Test or similar, knowledge on Atlassian tools Bitbucket, Jira, Confluence, knowledge of Python and SQL database.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. HireID People Inc. Please visit us at hireidpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at HireID People on your favorite social platforms.